Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So today's video I'll be doing a song breakdown, the new geometric song called Satisfy. Okay, so when I listen to the song, there's this very cool bass fills that was played in the song, and I decided to share this bass fills with you so that you can learn how to play it in the song or maybe in a different song. Okay, but before we start the breakdown, I do private class lessons on song breakdown like this. I don't normally do song breakdown on YouTube because of the copyright, okay, but I'll try and do something today. So if you want a song breakdown like this personal, DM me on WhatsApp. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's start the breakdown. Okay, the song was played on key D, so the intro goes like this. Before the singer comes in. Okay, so I told you because of the copyright I won't be playing the keyboard and everything. I just play the vocals and the drums. Okay, so let's check out the intro, the bass line he played. So 1 2 3 go. You slide to your 5, to your 2 2, you have your 5 sharp and your 5, then your 1. Okay, so that is so re, si, so, then you do. Okay, in the Lord. Okay, okay. Okay, so where the woman started in the Lord 1, you do da da. So you won't be playing the 2. You just go to your 3. Your 1 da da 3 3 4 da da to your 5 5 da da na na na. Okay. Okay, so you are my shield. It goes like this: 5 6 5 5 1 1 6 1 2 3 4. So when you hear you are my shield, 5 6 5 5 1, that is 5 1. That's the progression. So 5 6 5 5 1, then to your 2 you'll be climbing to your 4 6 1 2 3 4. So now to your 5, the bass player did something like this. You understand? So you'll be playing the 7 note, then you slide to your 5. Okay, so 4 slide, you see 7, you slide, then make sure you stop on your 2, then you play your 5 7 5 da, da, then your 5 1. That's it. Okay, so 1 6 1 2 3 1 4, that is 1 do la do re mi do fa. Okay, then to your 2 5 6 2 da, then your 5 satisfy me, then to your 1. Okay, okay, so the second you will satisfy me, so you slide to your 6 7 1. Okay, so so you slide, maybe using the 4th string, then you play your B string to give you your 6, then 6, then 7 1, then you'll be climbing 6. You play your 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now to your progression. 1, 2, 5, 6, 2. You will set. Then to your 5 and your 1. Okay. So now I'll be going through the song and try to get the fills they play. I don't want to make the video so long. Okay. So then when I get the fills, I'll teach you the fill, then show you how you can apply it on that progression, and also maybe apply to any other progression you find out there. Okay, so let me go through, but I'll try to be skipping it. Okay, there's a place where, let me show you something. In the yolo, then 2, 3, 4. Then remember that what I told you, that when you're going to your 5, you slide, then to your 5. You can also do this way. In the yolo, your 1, your re, mi, fa. Then now slide into your 5. Slide from your 7. This wasn't the song. 7. Okay, slide from 7 to then 5, 6, 5. Then back to your 1. Okay, so in the alone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide from your 7 to your 5. You understand? Okay, so put that in mind. So a bass fills. This is very nice. Okay, 1, your 2, 6, 1, 2, 4, 3. Then to your 4, 1, 5, 4. You see the very nice fills. So 1, 6, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5, 4. Do la do re, fa mi do so fa. Then from your 7 to your 5, you slide 7, 5. Then you'll be playing 6, 2, your 5, 5, 6, 2, 5. Okay, so when you play 2, 5, 6, 2, dun dun dun. So you play so la re so 5, 6, 2, 5. Then you do the same to your 1. That is 1, 2, 5, 1. You understand? Okay, so there's a bass riff played to start in the oh Lord. Okay, so let me show you. So you can learn that. So da 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 do diolo. Okay, so 1, you slide to your 1 on your 12th fret. Then 3, 4, 3, 2, 5. Oh Lord. Okay. So you pluck on 1. 3, 4, 3, 2, 5. Do mi fa mi re so do. Okay. So you are my shield, you are my shield. Okay, so 1, 2, 2, 2, you are my shield. Okay, 5, 6, 6 flat 5. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Then to your 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 3. Then to your 5, 1, 4. Now you're going to your fee, that's your 4 sharp. Then 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. I hope you got that. So do so la si so ti do fa ti do mi. Then to your 5, mi fa so do. Then your 4, your fa. Then your fi ti mi la re so do. You see this very nice movement of the bass line. Okay, so learn it very well. Okay, you can use them out there. Okay, so let's learn these fills. Go 1, 6, 1, 2 to your 3. now to your 4. You see, so do, la, do, re, so, fa, mi, do, so, la, so, fa. Now to your 2, okay? So fa, la, do, re, mi, do, re, re. Then you satisfy me. You see the gospel feels very nice. So dun, 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 to your 3. When you are going from a 1 to your 4, then you can use this. Then if you be playing the 2, 6 1 2 3 1 2 2, then to your 5 and your 1. Okay, so let me be showing you the last bass fills you can use for this song. One, re, mi, so, la, re. Very nice fills. Then to your 3, 5 4 3. Then to your 4, 1 5 4. So 4 4 4 3. Then you slide on that same string, and your E string gives you your 2. We're on key D. Okay, so so 4 4 3, you slide, then you play your 2. Then here you come and play the riff. So you have fa, fi, re, fa, fi, re. Then whilst you're still hitting your E string. Okay, so into your 5. So when you do that, you see da 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 da. You understand? Okay, to make it very simple. So do, re, mi, so, la, re, so, fa, mi, do, so, fa, 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 mi. Then your 5, you satisfy me. That's it. Okay, so I think this is the few gospel fills I can give to you on this song. Okay, so I think I don't want to make this video so long. Okay, so try and capture and memorize them, try to use them. Seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.